Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a quick makeup tip for you guys. I shared it a little bit in one of my past videos, but I didn't go into depth about it. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to fix or refresh your makeup after hours of wearing it. I actually just finished applying my makeup like not even half an hour ago. I finished doing my makeup around 7. It is now 7:36. I'll come back in a few hours and I'll show you the timestamp. I'll show you what my face looks like then after a certain amount of hours. What you will need is your setting spray, your beauty blender, and a powder. So only 3 little things. I'll be right back. All right guys, so it is 1 in the morning. I try to go as long as possible with my makeup on. After I finished filming, George and I went to run some errands. We went to Target and Walmart. Then we came back home. I cooked dinner. That is 6 hours with this makeup on. With the mask and everything, I feel like my makeup still looks pretty good, but do you see how it doesn't look fresh anymore? Let me show you how to fix this in literally no time. So I think I already told you, but what you will need is your beauty blender from that day. You do not need to re-wet this. Your setting spray of choice. This is gonna help us move around our makeup without taking any away. The first time I tried it out was with the Fix Plus by MAC. If you have this, good, but I feel like any setting spray will do. And last but not least, we're gonna be resetting our makeup. This mascara is so annoying. So before even touching my makeup, I am going to spray this all over my face. And if you have eyeshadow on like I do right now, let it dry over your eyes before you open them up, or you're gonna mess up your eyeshadow. So I tend to do a pretty generous amount. I'm letting this dry over my eyes. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna get my beauty blender. There's no additional product, and I'm just gonna start patting this in. This also works amazing if you just did your makeup and you're looking cakey. Do this and you will thank me later. Okay, and over my cheeks. Just like that. We're already looking so much better. You do not want to glide. You want to stamp. This is the move, and it's very lightly. You are not applying any product. You are just soaking up the residual of this moisture that you just applied, and you are also soaking up oiliness. You're not soaking up anything else, so you don't have to be super harsh on this. And look at that. We already look so much better, but we're gonna take it a step further. You're gonna get your powder of choice, very lightly go over those areas. Make sure everything is already like dry, or you're just gonna end up cake face again. But for me, it's like completely dry already. It dries super fast. That's why I love the Fix Plus. And then under your eyes, you can do this. You guys, I learned this by myself. This is probably something that everybody knew already, except for me. I'm the type of person that when I'm in the filming mood, I just need to film. But for you, it could be you're just going all day. Look at this, like brand new. Now I'm gonna take an even bigger powder brush. I'm gonna tap off the excess. You want the smallest bit of powder and just go over those areas. And from here, you have basically a fresh base. So I am gonna retouch my blush because blush to me is everything. So I am going in here and just retouching my blush. Every time I wore my makeup, I made sure I had a beauty blender because I just wanted to soak up any of the excess oil, but adding these 2 extra steps really took it up a notch. But yeah, from here you can fix up your eyeshadow, anything else, but I wanted to focus on our skin today. So if this little tip was helpful to you, please leave me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.